Hello all, welcome to Data Craft Institute. In real life, data is mostly split across multiple tables, and we need to get missing information in one table which are present in another table. So in this video, we will learn the technique of simple VLOOKUP and composite key VLOOKUP. Okay, so VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup and it helps us to populate missing information in a table by getting that information from another table. So whenever you have an ID and want to get details from another table, you use VLOOKUP. Let me explain the problem statement here. I have one table which is the results table which stores the marks of each student. And I have a students table which has name and class, and the student ID is the primary key here. Okay, and in the results table also we have student ID which is the primary key, but I have a missing information of name and class which I want to populate from the students table. Okay, so how do I do that? I will click on one cell and then I will click on this formula symbol and then I will select VLOOKUP. I have it already selected over here, but if you don't have it over here, just search VLOOKUP here and then you will get that. Select VLOOKUP. It will open this pop-up. Lookup value is nothing but your ID. Select the ID cell. Table array is the lookup table. Okay, from the ID to the information that you are looking for. So from student ID, I need name to name. From A to B, you want to select. And then write the position of B with respect to A. And A will be 1. Okay, ID will start from 1. So A is 1, B is 2. So write 2 here. Okay, range lookup is false. Range lookup is false means that you need an exact match of this lookup value, which is the ID. Okay, so whenever if you read here, find an exact match is equal to false. Okay, so you need an exact match. That is why you are writing false here, and mostly it will be false only. Okay, click on OK. So now you see the name is populated here. Similarly, to get the class, click here on this cell and then click on this function symbol, VLOOKUP. Lookup value is the ID. Table array is the lookup table. Okay, from ID till class. Class is the information that you're looking for. What is the position of C with respect to A? A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Right, 3 here. I need an exact match, so this is always false. Click on enter. Okay, and now just populate the values down. So I have name and class over here. Fine. Now let me give you a little, let us work on a composite key scenario which is a little more complicated. For example, we have sales order here. Okay, sales order table, and we have products table here. Okay, product ID, city, price. But if you see here, product ID cannot be called a unique identifier for price. Okay, sales order needs price information from products table. Why? Because price changes with respect to city. So for this product ID, the price is 120 in Delhi, but the price is 130 in Mumbai. Okay, so if I want to populate the price corresponding to Mumbai, okay, I need to populate this particular price 130. Okay, for P101 product. Okay, so what do we do here? We create a composite key here. Okay, so these two are my key fields. Okay, and then we create a composite key here. So I will just highlight my key fields over here. So these two are my key fields. Okay, and insert, and I will call my key composite key as C key. Composite key is created by giving an equal to, select that cell, and you can directly select an ampersand and select the other cell and just click on enter. Okay, it will union these two rows. Okay, so your composite key is created. You need to do the same activity over here. Okay, write C key. Okay, and okay, no, don't write it over here, write it over here after city so that you can select that, it will be more visible. Okay, so just insert one column here. Okay, write C key. Okay, and equal to ampersand, which is used to join two particular columns. Okay, and here, and then just pull it down. Okay, now you have a key field just like you had for student table. Okay, you need one key field. Okay, for this to work. So now the same thing what we did previously, click on price, go to formula, select VLOOKUP, select your key field. Okay, and then go to your table array, which is the lookup products table, from your key field to the information that you are looking for. Okay, from C to D. Okay, what is the position of D with respect to C? It is 2. C is 1, D is 2. Click false here, write false here, and then press OK. And there you go, you have products over here. So one thing you need to note is that while presenting this, you will have to remove this C key, right? When you are sending this Excel to somebody. But if you want to, if you directly delete it, it will throw an error in your price field because it's a formula based on this particular column. Okay, for example, if you delete it, this particular thing will throw an error. Okay, so don't, if you want to delete this, either hide it or you can do one more thing, copy this, okay, and paste values here. There is a paste option, paste values. Okay, now you are free to delete this C key field. Okay, so if I will do one more, show you. So if you will not paste value, you see if you click on a cell, the VLOOKUP formula is visible there. So after you copy and then you paste the values over here, okay, now the formula is not visible, the value is visible. Now you are free to delete this particular C key, okay, and clean up your Excel. Okay, so now you can clean up your Excel and you are good to go. Okay, so that is all on VLOOKUP. Thank you all. If you are learning data analytics and data engineering or reporting, please like and subscribe this part of our data hacks and career tips series. Thanks again.